All right, so I think I've officially found the best chocolate chip cookie recipe. Let me share it with you. So we're gonna start with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of salted butter. As you can see, I put mine through the cheese grater. It just helps to soften it. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of light brown packed sugar, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 large eggs. Then as you can see here, I have my Zojirushi Virtuoso Breadmaker, and I'm gonna place this pan inside of here, and it's gonna mix up the dough for me. Now obviously I could just mix it by hand, but this Breadmaker does a really good job at mixing it, and I find that doing it this way just gives me time to clean up this big mess that I've made. Now towards the end of the mixing cycle, the machine is going to beep to let me know to add the chocolate chips in. So I'll just go ahead and pour 2 cups of chocolate chips inside. Then it'll finish up mixing, and then when it's done, I'll just simply roll out all my cookie dough balls. Now I imagine different baking sheets are different sizes, but for me this makes about 3 batches of cookies. I usually bake 2 and then freeze 1. Now I preheat the oven to 375, and I put the cookies in for around 8 to 10 minutes. We like our cookies on the softer side, so I usually take them out before they start turning brown. And here they are. They look so good, and they taste even better. I have a few other videos and recipes that I like to use in my Breadmaker, and I'll leave a link to those in the description, as well as this cookie recipe. Now let me know in the comments what kind of recipe you use for your chocolate chip cookies.